Wooden Boy Micah, Episode 4 of Season 3. Terrible Lion. It was a bright, sunny day on the island of Sodor, and Ryan was just shutting some trucks. James was coming. "Hey, James," asked Ryan, "could you please help me shut these trucks? I got 25 to shut." "Not right now. Oh, shutting is not my job. I have to pull this freight." "How rude of him," said Ryan. "I will teach him a lesson from that." The next day, Ryan had a talk with Edward. "Yesterday, James wouldn't help me while shutting trucks." "Yeah, I know that rude James. He had sometimes to be mean to me. But soon he learned his lesson, of course, and that's what I want to happen to me." "Okay. How about you do something to him, like make him crash?" Then a great idea flew into Ryan's funnel. "I could make James crash." Edward didn't think about it, but he said, "Yes, you could do it." "Okay. I have to go now," said Edward. "Okay, goodbye. Thanks for the advice." "You're welcome." And Edward soon left. Ryan had a very devious plan. Pretty much soon, Ryan put a car in the middle of the line. Now this would be a great thing to do. And Ryan left. A few hours later, James was just taking some passengers on a tour. "I'm just having a great time." Then there was trouble. James noticed a train car on the tracks. He screeched to a halt, but not in time. James was off the rails. Pretty much soon, James was back on the rails. And Sir Topham Hatt had a talk with Ryan. "You should not be playing tricks on the other engines, Ryan. Don't worry, I'm sorry. You have caused confusion and delay. Please go back to the shutting yard." "I will." And then Ryan learned his lesson. Filmed in April 7th, Saturday, 2017.